Hello, good day. Today I'm going to make a video recording about my final project in WDD 330 about Node.js. So this is my final project. Then we will run this program. NPM run start. And this is the main page. So as we have seen here, we have here the loader, the header, and the footer. And we have also the uh, slides of hero image and also this uh, array of car logos. So our main page, this is the main page, and this is the index.html of our main page, and this is also connected to our main JS. And the header are imported from our main or from our header and footer templates. So and this is also defined in utils, sample in utils. So this is the function for the header and footer, and it is imported in every pages. For example, in our main page. So example here in utils exports a same function and load header footer. It is imported here in our main page, and not only here but also in every pages that we have. So it is always been imported. And then also the array of image, so we have here, so the array of image, uh, the this one, the logo. So if we see this, so this one, and then if we click that logo, then it will be redirected to the car listing page because this is our reference. And then for our hero image, the slides is from our hero images, this one. And that is also export function in hero image. And then this one here, init hero slider, is exported in our main JS, this one. And then if we click this logo, then we'll be directed in the main index or car listing its page. So this is the details. So this is our car listing page, this one. And this is our car listing, that is our car listing HTML, and this is our car listing JS, this one. And the data, the images, the details are imported from our car inventory MJS. For example, in our car inventory MJS, this one. So car listing, we are importing the this one. So this function being imported in here from car inventory MJS imported to car listing MJS. And then we have also a render card. So this that function also from our car inventory MJS. Okay. So and this is the attributes or data that we receive from our API. Actually, we have 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and these are from our sample and from API that we have for the image that is from our gallery, that is from Pixabay, this, that API. So the return is the likes, this one. This is the data for that, and also for the image. And for the details for car inventory, we have that in our inventory car MGS, and we also got received that data, this data, this one from API, and we PIC that in its DSA, and also the prices. We have a price conversion. We have from currency, or taking or receiving that from this one API layer. And if we click this reserve now, actually in the card details, the page will have a local storage from this one. So this is our car listing page, and our details reserved in our we save in local storage. So car listing page, then set to car details, garams, this one, then set to local storage, this one, this one. So if save back to local storage. Okay, and if the user click the reserve now, then the user will redirect it to reserve now page, and this is our reserve now page. So reserve now HTML, and with the reserve now JS. And if the user click the confirm reservation, then the user will be redirected to the reservation card, and we notice that the number of counter updated in the logo in the upper right side, and that is here defined in the card for this one. So update counter. And if the user want to remove the reservation, press one. This is the remove button. If the user will remove that, then the counter will back to zero. Okay, and if we click this, either this one, this Bahins Auto Sales logo, or either add more vehicles, then we will be redirected to the main page. For example, this one. Okay, thank you, and again, good day.